Hi, I'm Maria Ortega and you are on the Ladymaria51 channel. Today we will be preparing the cream cheese frosting recipe. And the best of all is that it made with a few ingredients. This recipe is in Spanish on my YouTube channel. You can find the link in the information box. La receta que les estaré enseñando hoy está en mi canal de YouTube en español. Les dejaré el enlace en la cajita de información. The ingredients to prepare the cream cheese frosting are the following. 1 bar of cream cheese that is equal to 8 ounces that is equal to 226 grams. Half stick of butter which is equal to 2 ounces which is equal to 57 grams. 1 teaspoon of vanilla that is equal to 5 milliliters. And finally, 1 cup of confection sugar or icing sugar that is equal to 125 grams. Those are all the ingredients you need to make your cream cheese frosting. Now we go to the procedure. We start by pouring in the cream cheese bar. We add the half stick of butter and add the vanilla. We're going to beat until well mixed. Until creamy. They already mixed well. Now what we're going to do is add the icing sugar or confection sugar. Again, we are going to beat until all the ingredients are mixed. All the ingredients are already mixed, and here is our cream cheese frosting to decor cakes and cupcakes. Also, you can use it for filling because it tastes delicious. Here are cream cheese frosting. You can use it to decor cakes and cupcakes. Also, you can use it for filling. You already have another alternative. And here on the channel, there are other types of frosting. If you like this video, give it a like, subscribe to this channel and activate the bell so you can receive the notification when I upload a new video. See you in the next video.